I can be a lot of things, but one thing I can be with these glasses on is depressed. You might be wondering what this is, and well, let's figure it out together. So during Black Friday, I was browsing the Amazon top deals list. But like after, a few pages, you get into the territory of some weird tech. And that's where I found this. And I had so many questions. Let me put it like that. Because when I first saw this, it was like, it's called light therapy glasses too. And I was like, what are light therapy glasses? They were also 180 euros. So yeah, obviously that piqued my interest and that's why I got them, because I wanted to check out what this is. But that also made me go down a rabbit hole of so many positive reviews. I didn't know the light therapy glasses hype was so real. Like there were people in the reviews actually like thanking like the existence of this. So what they're claiming, or what this is set out to do, a few things actually, and I've got this from the reviews under the product and also from other places as well. But I see a lot of people using this in the morning, like people that struggle getting up and getting ready for the day. This apparently really wakes them up and gives them the energy to, okay, get up. And then you have the people that, during wintertime, like now, like I'm recording this during the daytime, and I'm using like a big light to actually get something on my face. Hold up. But the people that get very depressed with this weather or like this time of year, apparently this really helps them too. I was just like, what is this? Is this the holy grail, or is this like kind of like a placebo thing where you think it's working and it just like gets you going? But from what I understand, there's like a light shining on your eyeballs. It doesn't really sound very healthy, but that's what I'm set out to do, figuring out if this is an actual good thing. So winter blues, I guess that's what I was just saying. Sleep phase disorder, jet lag, and a late shift at work. These are all the features, I guess, and I guess rechargeable with USB-C is a feature. Although in the explanation, it says it was micro USB. And on their page on Amazon, they are saying that it's for people that don't have the time to sit in front of light therapy lamp. Yeah, this is a whole world I didn't know existed. But yeah, it says here micro USB cable, but on the box it says USB-C, so yeah. And it's certified risk-free according to the European standards. Hey, if I get the green light from the Europeans, I'm ready to crack this box open. But hey, I'm not judging. If this, I'm just curious if I would see a difference. The weather really doesn't bother me. Also in the morning I don't really struggle that much, so maybe I'm not the target audience, but it did pique my interest enough for me to get it. I waited a long time on this because I got it like at the beginning of Black Friday, and now we're like a month later. Maybe the demand is so high, maybe it's a hype that I'm not aware of. Anyway, let's see. Hey yo, I gotta be honest here. The unboxing is kinda slapping right now. That is a solid case. All right. What else is in here? Oh my. Why does it smell so good? Damn, it's a treat for the eyes, the brains, and the smell. Yeah, this is USB-C. We got some plastic bits. And we got a cleaning cloth. And then a big ass user manual. I feel like I do have to be careful with, oh my god, look at all the oh, what is all this? Start, stop. Where is start, stop? Why is start, stop 8? Hologram? Is this Star Wars? No. Okay, so I do have to wear it right above my glasses, I guess. Recommended duration. 60 minutes? Oh, I have no time to sit in front of a lamp, but I have time to... Oh, I guess you can wear it while doing stuff, right? All right, let's just get this out of the way and check out the glasses. Okay. I don't know why my instinct was directly to go there, but I gotta say, this looks kind of scary. This is huge. Okay, this USB-C. I don't want to damage my eyes, you know. I have only 2. Okay, I'm gonna let it charge for a bit. I think it's dead. All right, that did some charging. Let's see if it works. Damn, that's trippy. I don't know if it comes over on camera, but it like has like a Matrix disco ball effect. Oh god. Oh yeah. I don't know how to feel about that. I mean, obviously, maybe this is not the time of day to do this. Maybe I should do this in the morning. But I don't feel like this is very good for my eyes. It's not very bright, but with like the Matrix effect, it makes you kind of disoriented. I don't know. But anyway, I will report back when I'm gonna try this in the morning, because I feel like that's gonna have the best effect that I want it to have. So yeah, I'll report back when, I don't know, after a few days, after a few weeks. Hopefully don't lose my eyesight, and yeah, see you soon. Oh wait, there's brightness settings. I was on the lowest brightness. Let me turn it up, Holy crap, that much power should not be held by men. That's, oh my god. Holy shit, everything looks so dark around me. Like I can barely see my room because it's like blasting me. I don't know how this, 60 minutes, that's insane. Okay, I'm gonna try it on the lowest setting. Wow, that hurts. And I'll report back, all right? So it's been a few days and I have tried the glasses in all sorts of different scenarios, times, and whatever. And overall, I was just curious, so I did some Googling and all that. And the first thing when you Google, do light therapy glasses work? You get, and I quote, yes, light therapy glasses definitely work. Many of them have gone through clinical trial testing and have been shown to significantly reduce drowsiness, sleep phase disorders like insomnia, and things like winter depression and seasonal affective disorder. From everything that you find online, obviously, I am not a scientist, I have not proven this, but apparently it does work for a lot of people. But for me, I have noticed nothing at all. So the first time I really tried to use it was when I, woke up. And usually when I wake up, obviously it's dark in my room, so, I get up, get into the bathroom to brush my teeth, and, when you put the lights on, you get like that, you can't see. With this, when I put this on, like I woke up, dark in the room, and I put this on and put the light on, it's the exact same thing. So I was just like sitting there like, holy shit, this is bright. But then obviously eventually you start opening your eyes and you're fine. So I don't see the difference between doing it like this, blasting your face with light and then just slowly getting used to it, compared to going into the bathroom or, I don't know, your living room or just in your room, turning the lights on and getting that blast in your face. So I really didn't see much difference there. And then also they're not comfortable. I don't know if I'm wearing them wrong. I don't really think you can wear them very wrong, but yeah, no, they're very plasticky and very not comfortable at all. So I was looking around and I did see that they made a third version of this. I have the second version. Third version was like what, 220 euros, which is absolutely insane. But I also found a conspiracy theory in the reviews on Amazon. So some of the review reads, this is not a review. Well, some of the warning reads, because this is a warning. This warning is not based on any scientific data, but only on personal experience. Even then, it's not final. I'll keep updating in the coming days. This is like, Sherlock Holmes on the case or something like that. And keep updating in the coming days, but this is posted April 5th, 2023. Maybe Heyday has been silenced by the government. I don't know, I haven't heard from this person. So they're claiming that their blood sugar level went up. This happened approximately 90 minutes after using the Luminet 3. So those are the 3s. Maybe the 3s have some weird powers that I'm unaware of. Every day I'm using it on max settings. That's something I don't recommend. I did it for a bit and I saw white dots for like 20 minutes after using it. So No. So they're claiming, yeah, it may increase their blood sugar levels and insulin levels. Maybe this person is just panicking when they put the glasses on, or they get like so frightened by the light or something that, you know, all of their all of their levels of their body just spike out of control. But yeah, I'm pretty sure these glasses are made by the government to control humans. But hey, if these glasses work for you and they make you feel better, or they actually, you know, make you wake up better or feel better or whatever, props to you. They just didn't really work for me at all. And they're quite expensive for what they are. They're just like plastic glasses with some LEDs in it. So I feel like there might be better ways to do this stuff, but hey, again, if this works for you, that's great. For me, it didn't really do anything, but yeah, it was fun to check out. Fun to go down a little rabbit hole of like luminette glass enjoyers. So yeah, stay safe. We got the warning, so yeah, use at your own risk. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you learned as much as I did today, and yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Oh, goddamn.